In a warm, sunny jungle lived Ellie, a big, gentle elephant with the loudest trunk around. Ellie loved to splash water, nap under fig trees, and play with her jungle friends. But one morning, Ellie felt a tiny tickle in her nose. Uh, Achoo! Her sneeze was so big, it blew leaves off trees and sent a zebra sliding into a mud puddle. Animals peeked out from behind trees, ducking as Ellie sniffled again. "Sorry," she said, holding her trunk. But, achoo! Monkeys flew off branches, parrots spun like tops. Poor Ellie didn't know what to do. "I think I caught a jungle cold," she sniffled sadly. All the animals brought her soup, warm leaf blankets, and songs to help. But nothing stopped the sneezes, not even sloth hugs. Who could help Ellie stop her mega sneezes? Stick around for part 2 and meet Mimi, the tiny hero.